our NSF 40 quarts planetary mixer. First off, the overall dimensions. The radius of the bowl will be at least 15 inches, and height of approximately 17 inches. Measurements for the base will be 21 inches in length, 18 3/4 in depth, and 44 1/4 inches in height. Coming to the side will be your on and off button, along with the lever that can adjust the speed from 1 to 3, along with the technical information on the plate. On the side of the mixer will be the separate bar handle to raise and lower the bowl, and the cover, safety cover for the front. And included will be 3 attachments: the whip, hook, and the beater. All 3 of them will be included with the purchase of this mixer. Coming to the side will be the ETL certification, and on the back will be the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.